Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Gree unit supports Wi-Fi and the correct app. This matters because different models use different pairing flows. Once done, make sure the AC is powered and in standby, the remote has fresh batteries, and your phone is on the same too. 4 GHz network. Most Gree devices won't work on 5 GHz. Open the Gree Plus or Specified app. Don't skip granting location and network permissions, because the app needs them to scan and pair devices. Now you put the AC into pairing mode. Press the unit's Wi-Fi button or use the remote sequence described in the quick guide. This triggers the AC to broadcast a pairing signal. While it blinks, open the app, tap Add Device, and select the correct model because selecting the wrong profile prevents successful configuration. Enter your 4 GHz SSID and password when prompted. The app will send credentials to the AC, so make sure they are exact, including capitalization and special characters. Finish by waiting for the app to confirm the device is online and for the AC's Wi-Fi LED to become steady. This indicates a successful handshake. You should immediately test basic controls, power, mode switching, and temperature changes to verify responsiveness. If it fails, restart your router and the AC, double-check you use the 4 GHz network and correct password, and try the pairing sequence again. If problems persist, reset the AC network settings and repeat the pairing process.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.